Intensive practice 5.2, question 3. Three consecutive terms of a geometric progression is given. Find all the possible values of x. Okay. So for a geometric progression, we must know r must be a constant. So the formula for r is t2 over t1 or t3 over t2. So we can say t2 divided by t1 equals to t3 divided by t2. So t2 over t1 equals to t3 over t2. Okay, then from here we can cross multiply. So we get 2x plus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 3 equals to this times this, x times 10x minus 3. Then we expand. So we get 4x square plus 6x plus 6x plus 9, 10x square minus 3x. Okay, so now all of this we try to bring it over this side. So we get 4x square, we bring it over here, it'll become 10x square minus 4x square. 12x, we bring it here, becomes minus 12x. And then positive 9 we bring here becomes negative 9. Okay, so I just simplified this, then I bring here, so negative 3x minus 12x becomes negative 15. Right, now this whole thing we can divide it by 3. So we get 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is 0. Then we factorize this. So a is 2, b is negative 5, c is negative 3. So our x will be negative 1 over 2 and the other x is 3. So don't forget to put it into the bracket. This will become 2x plus 1 and x minus 3. So these will be our two possible values of x. A done. Right, let's try to do b. Okay, so I just write the values of x here and then let's try b. Okay, the sixth term, if x is less than 0, okay, since x is less than 0, this one is rejected. Okay, so we need to find the sixth term. That means we need to find t6. So in geometric progression, the formula for Tn is ARn minus 1. So T6 would be AR6 minus 1. We know the value of A is x, A is the first term. And then R would be, oh actually we don't know much. Okay, you know what? Let's find our A and R first. A is just x, and we know x is negative 1 over 2. R is t2 over t1. So t2 would be 2 times negative 1 over 2 plus 3. t1 is just x. So we put this in our calculator. Divide by negative 1 over 2. We get negative 4. So A is this, R is this. Now we can find our T6. We sub this into the equation. So T6 will be A R 6 minus 1. 512. Done. That's it.